Hello everyone, welcome to the session on patents. In this session, briefly we are going to discuss about parts of the patent document. So, what are the parts of the patent document? So, patent document has certain parts. Out of that, what is there on a first page of the patent document? So, first page contains following information. Patent information, it contains about bibliographic information related to patent. We get many information from this first page. Then inventor and ownership of the patent, prior art. Prior art is what information is available in the public domain before the filing of this patent, and abstract, number of claims, number of drawings. This information is available on first page of the patent document. So, let us understand this with the example. Here, this is the example of US patents. So, first page of any document looks like this. We are trying to understand what each part contains. So, this information is available on a first page. What is written here? United States patent. Patent number US 10751-352 B2, date of patent August 25, 2020, Seong et al. That means Seong and his colleagues, they are the inventor. So, this kind of information is available on the first page. As it says United States patent, that means this patent was filed and granted by United States Patent Office, that is USPTO. Which other information is available? Title of the invention. See, pharmaceutical composition for preventing or treating cancer. So, this is title of information. Applicant's name. Inventors, who are the inventors. Assignee of the patent. Then application number, when this patent was filed. Then prior publication date. So, this kind of information is available on a first page. Other than this, it also contains prior art. As already I said, what is prior art? So, here reference cited, foreign patent documents and other publications related to the patent. Then it also contains name of the patent examiner. In Indian patent document, you will not find name of examiner assigned, but in other patents you will find out what is the examiner for that patent application. Then abstract. Abstract gives information about patent in brief about what is the invention and what is the invention is intended to do. Other than that, it gives that there are 6 claims and 20 drawing sheets, means what are the number of claims are there and how many number of drawings are there. This information is also available on a first page. Then what it says, specification includes a sequence listing. This is for the inventions which contains like amino acids, nucleotides or protein molecules where sequence is there. Sequence or a chain of nucleotides or amino acid is there. So, for them sequence listing is there. So, if your invention contains sequence listing, then it is mentioned on the first page of the patent document. So, this information is available on a first page. Now, what are the other parts of the patent document? So, we will see one by one what are other parts. Title of the invention. Title of the invention is there on a first page as well as in a patent document. This title gives information about what the invention is. Title should be in a brief. It should not be creating confusion. It should be clear. Then field of the invention. What this field of the invention means? Technical field, in which technical area the invention is falling, that is field of invention. Say for example, pharmaceutical. So the invention is related to pharmaceutical. So this is the field of invention. That information is to be available in a field of invention. Then background of the invention. Now what kind of information this background of the invention contains? It states about field of the invention and what was available before the invention and how this invention is going to help, that is available in a background of the invention. Say for example, the invention is for treating cancer. Then it gives information about what was available for treating cancer and how it occurs and what kind of methods are there to treat cancer and how this invention is going to help in that cancer. Summary of the invention. This is briefly the invention is mentioned about what is the invention and how the invention is going to work. So that is summary of the invention. Now drawings. If the invention contains drawings, say for example, some object is invented, some device is invented, if it contains some chemical structures, so all that information are there in the drawings, and these drawings are assigned numbers. Drawings are assigned numbers, and then later on in a detailed description, whenever the information is given related to the drawing, then the particular number is mentioned for the drawing. Then detailed description. Detailed description means here the invention is disclosed completely in a detail, what the invention is about and how the invention is going to work, how to perform the invention. If method is there, how to perform that method. So to help that, some examples are also given. Then claims. Claims are the most important part, or we can call it like it's the heart of the patent document. Here the inventor will try to get maximum benefit of the invention. In a claims, technicality must be mentioned. Claims covers the scope of the invention for which the protection is to be sought. Claims are drafted very carefully. There can be only one claim or number of claims are there. Claims must be clear and concise. So these are the parts of the patent documents in a brief: title of the invention, field of the invention, background of the invention, summary of the invention, drawings, detailed description, some examples to perform the invention, and claims. Then abstract, that already we have discussed on a first page of the patent document. So this was in a brief about parts of the patent document. Next time we will have a discussion on some more interesting topics related to patents. If you have any doubts, contact me. Thank you.